Hi friends, today we are making ice cream waterfall card. For this we need one piece of cardstock. It measures 5 and 3/4 quarter by 6 and 1/4 quarter. One pattern paper which measures 5 by 5.5 inches. One strip of cardstock which measures 8 inches by 1.5 inches, and we will score this at 1.5 inch, 2 and 1/4 inch, 3 inch and 3 and 3/4 inch. One sticker, one triangle shaped pattern paper, one piece of ribbon, and I pre-cutted the ice cream scoop shapes of 3 different colors. We will need one more strip of pattern paper which measures 1 inches by 5 inches. Now we will start the process. First, we will attach this pattern paper to this. I have already pasted double-sided tape in the corner of the paper. We will attach in the center of the cardstock like this. Now we will attach that strip to this. We apply glue only on the corners of the strip, not in the center, because in the center we need to pull that waterfall strip into this area. So we peel and we will stick that way. Now we will attach this to this. So we will do like this in the center, and we need to attach this flap to this area. So we will add double-sided tape onto this, and we will attach this on this like this. Now we will add our ice cream scoops. First we will add the cone here, ice cream cone here. Like this. Then we will add our first scoop. We'll take yellow one. like this. Now we'll attach the next scoop, the pink one. And now we will attach our last scoop, the green one. We will pull this, it will work like that. Okay. Now we will add our sentiment here or here, anywhere. Now we will add this ribbon to this area so that we can easily pull our waterfall with the help of that ribbon. We will tie a knot. And our waterfall card is ready. It will work like this. So enjoy your dessert in rainy season. Thanks for watching.